A new person can start earning money from YouTube by following these steps. 1. Create a YouTube channel. Sign up for a YouTube account and create your own channel. Choose a name that reflects your content or personal brand. 2. Develop quality content. Create videos that are unique, engaging, and valuable to your target audience. Find a niche or topic you are knowledgeable and passionate about, and create content that stands out from the competition. 3. Build an audience. Consistently upload high-quality videos to attract viewers and subscribers. Promote your videos through social media, your website or blog, and collaborate with other YouTubers in your niche to expand your reach. 4. Monetize your channel. Once you meet the eligibility requirements, apply for the YouTube Partner Program. This includes having at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months. Once approved, you can enable monetization on your channel and start earning money from ads displayed on your videos. 5. Utilize other monetization methods. In addition to ads, you can explore other ways to monetize your channel. This includes joining the YouTube Premium Revenue Program, offering channel memberships or subscriptions, and promoting products or services through affiliate marketing or sponsored content. 6. Engage with your audience. Interact with your viewers through comments, likes, and shares. Building a loyal community will help increase engagement and encourage viewers to support your channel through donations or merchandise purchases. 7. Learn and improve. Keep learning about YouTube best practices, algorithm updates, and trends in content creation. Experiment with different formats. Optimize your video titles, descriptions, and tags for searchability, and analyze your analytics to understand what content performs well and resonates with your audience. Remember, building a successful YouTube channel takes time and effort. Consistency, quality content, and audience engagement are key. It's also important to comply with YouTube's community guidelines and copyright policies. Thanks for watching.